Hello guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing sorrel drink. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So this is my sorrel, and I like to wash my sorrel at least twice because sometimes when the farmers reaping the sorrel, a little bit of dirt tend to catch it, and you want to get rid of all of that. So I tend to just go ahead and wash it with some cold water at least twice. All of these ingredients that I'm using, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen. And most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmer's market and you will see a lot of sorrel there because it is the season for sorrel. So you can always go there, and of course you will get all of the other ingredients that I'm using. But you can also visit your supermarket and check the fresh produce aisle and you will see sorrel there. They normally tend to put their sorrel in the fridge, and some persons don't like to put their sorrel in the fridge. They like to just get the fresh sorrel. So if you're a person who like to get the fresh sorrel, you can always go to the farmer's market. But if you don't mind the sorrel in the fridge, you can always go ahead and check the supermarket. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and crush my ginger. I also went ahead and put a pot on the stove with some water that we're going to use. And I'll just allow that to come to a boil before I add my ginger, my pimento berry, and also my orange peel. Again, if you don't have all of these ingredients that I'm using, so for example, if you don't have the orange peel, you can always go ahead and make your sorrel without it. Some persons don't add the orange peel. Some persons just add the ginger and the pimento seeds, or they add the pimento leaves. So as I always encourage you guys to do, just be creative. Again, this is a season for sorrel. You can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you're a lover of sorrel, because not everybody loves sorrel. Some persons don't like the sorrel drink, and that is okay. All right. So now that my water comes to a boil, I will go ahead and add the orange peel, and I will also add the ginger and the pimento berries. Again, if you don't have the pimento berries at home, you can always go ahead and use the pimento leaf. Just a small amount, about 3 or so. And then I'm going to add my sorrel. And of course, you just want to extract that goodness from the sorrel. And we don't want our sorrel drink to be too watery. We want it to be nice. You know, I hate a watery sorrel drink. I don't like it. I like mine with, just nice. You're drinking it and you want a second round. That's how I like my sorrel. So what I'm going to do, I will also go ahead and turn off my stove. And I like to use my wooden spoon to just push that down nicely in the hot water. And then I'm going to cover it and just allow it to do its own thing. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So stay tuned for all of that goodness. Alright guys, so this is what my sorrel drink looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to allow it to just cool down. Once it's cooled down, I will go ahead and strain it. Then I'll come back and show you guys what the sorrel drink looks like. And as you can see, the color is rich and it's not watery at all. That's the way I like it. So, second round, I go on. And that is okay. So in a few minutes, I'll come back and show you guys once I strain it. Always remember, guys, to allow your sorrel drink to cool down before you start mixing it, all right? Or before you put it in the fridge. Just allow it to cool down a little bit. So this is it. Nice to strain. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and use my brown sugar to mix. Now, some persons don't like to use the brown sugar. Some persons like to use the granulated sugar. Listen, if it's that you like to use, go ahead and use it. If that's what you want to use, go ahead and use it. If that's what you have, go ahead and use it. Always remember to taste, just in case you might need to add a little bit more sugar. And some persons like to add rum to their sorrel. No, I'm not going to add any rum to my sorrel, just as it is, and that is it. So we're going to serve this up ice cold, and basically that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 7K subscribers. Help me get there before December 31st. Thank you again, guys, for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.